What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin today. As you can see, Dogecoin now at 2078. Looks like we're trying to get back to this resistance, trying to stay out of this downtrend here. So we're kind of trading a little sideways and stagnant right now. But anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And also check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And also remember, if you hit the like button and subscribe, it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. So definitely do that. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want me to go over next. And let's get straight to this Dogecoin video. So as you can see, yes, we are now at 2078. We're going to be doing the technical analysis first for Dogecoin. And yes, let's do that now. So the first thing I want to do with Dogecoin, this article here from Benzica says, will Dogecoin fly again? Dogecoin fights a resistance level. So yeah, it is fighting some resistance here. It doesn't want to go above it right now. But anyways, we are being resisted at 22 cents. And you can see how hard it was fighting that resistance, and then it just finally broke down. But let's go over this. So now, Dogecoin is flirting with a resistance level, they said. If it were to cross the 22-cent price level, it would prevent the confirmation of a long-term bearish turn. So they're saying if we break this 22-cent resistance line, then we're going to be out of our long-term bearish term. And that's kind of what I was drawing out here, because if we kept going down on this downtrend, that would have led us into a long-term bearish movement. And actually, the Doge Army fought against it. The Doge Army brought in, but then a lot of people started to sell out. And as you can see here, a lot of sell orders started to come in and really knock us down. So it really depends on whether or not we can keep, the buying pressure up above the selling pressure. Because right now, there's a lot of selling pressure, but it kind of looks like we're staying a little stagnant right now. But anyways, if we can get above this 22-cent resistance, we will be really good here in Dogecoin. So according to CoinMarketCap data, as of the press time, Dogecoin is trading at about 21 cents, they say, and it's about 4%, from the last 24 hours. And they're saying Doge is trying to settle above 21.90 support level, but today's high of 22.90, which was, yesterday, is not met. So anyways, previously Dogecoin struggled to fight the major resistance of 23, and now we are at some resistance of 22 cents. So this is going to definitely prove if Dogecoin has some long-term value or not. If Dogecoin can actually get above 22 cents right now, it would show that Dogecoin is inside of a long-term bullish movement. But if it cannot, it will be long-term bearish. But anyways, let's keep going with this. So previously, Dogecoin struggled to be above the 23.5 resistance, and then over here, which also acted as support during the coin's recent fall. According to FX Empire, after the coin lost its fight against the resistance level, it fell to 21.9 support, and if it breaks through this floor, it will move towards 21.30. Now, we are already down to 20.75. So Dogecoin's RSI is also moderate, leaving room for sellers to conspire a further bearish push. If coin settles below the 21.30, next support level will be located at 25, and we already fell below 21.30. So you can definitely see that our next support level will be 21.5. We haven't met it yet. We're actually over here at about 27. So 25 is where we're going to see that support, and right now we're at about 2070. So this is definitely a very big moment in Dogecoin. But anyways, let's keep moving on here. So if Dogecoin were to move up, it would find the nearest resistance level at 22.55. That, if crossed, would allow it to move up to its recent highs, as of the 0.13 Fibonacci retracement at 23 cents. So yes, we definitely need to get above 22.5, but first we got to focus on getting above 22 cents. And after we get above 22 cents, this resistance level of 22.5, we actually got rejected here, as you can see. It was some big rejection, some big resistance here. So we got to get above that area there. And then once we can actually get above this 22.5 area, it's going to lead us to move completely up to Dogecoin and then completely up to like 23 cents. And that's going to be big right there. So anyways, like they're saying, the 0.13 Fibonacci retracement at 23 cents will be after we pass 22.55. And then over here, as you can see, if those were to settle above 23 cents, then it would be headed to 23.5. So we have a lot of different levels to break here with Dogecoin, but hopefully we can actually break it. So data suggests that Dogecoin grew in many ways this year, and in some ways is continuing to grow despite the recent downturn. So this is definitely true. Despite the recent downturn, Dogecoin is still growing a lot. Like, it's really staying stagnant right now because, we just not had a drop. But still, the fact that it's not just completely tanking shows that Dogecoin has some long-term value here and that people are really supporting Dogecoin. Now you can also see over here, for instance, Dogecoin adoption is seemingly growing as unprecedented pace. Also, blockchain data shows that the coin miners can enjoy 3,135 increase in mining rewards and 6,700% in transaction fees compared to the beginning of the year, which is a boom for the network's security. So yeah, Dogecoin is definitely doing fairly well right now. It's growing really good. But anyways, let's move over here. Will Dogecoin price manage to Will Dogecoin price manages to gain its 200 DMA line? So this should be managed to gain its 200 managed to regain its 200 DMA line. They need to take out the S of manage and S out of regains. I don't know why I'm just being a keyboard warrior with them, because you gotta apply that pressure, make sure they don't keep making mistakes. But anyways, Dogecoin price at the monthly chart fails to hold necessary moving averages of 20, 50, 100, and 200 DMA line in volume activity. So currently the crypto asset is trading under a significant downtrend, making lower highs and lower lows sequence. So anyways, the pair of Doge BTC is trading around, don't even care how many zeros that is, too many zeros. But anyways, it's trading around this much BTC. I don't know why they just don't do it in US dollars, because that's what almost everyone does. But anyways, the 200 DMA, that's where we're trying to face the resistance at. But over here, once the coin manages to sustain above its 200 DMA line with a supportive volume activity, support on the lower side is 19.20, which is 19 cents, and the 17.50, 17 cents, whereas resistance on the higher side is 24.40 and 26.20. Like I said, everyone always has a different opinion about resistance. What we're talking about in the previous one was minor resistance. We have minor resistance at 22 cents, but we do have major resistance at about 24 cents and 26 cents, because every time we get up to those levels, we usually start to get rejected. And that's why I have these resistance set up for the Fibonacci retracement, because they were major resistance. So this is major, and then all the way up here, this is also major. All right, this one right here is major, and then we don't even need to be worrying about 28 cents until we pass 22 cents, 24 cents, and then 26 cents. 24 cents being one of the biggest points of resistance for us, because as you can see in the past week or two, you can see that we've just been around 24 cents in the past week or two. So that's major resistance for us. Now, Dogecoin price trying to rebound after a sharp dip after the high levels. So Dogecoin price at the weekly chart is trying to rebound after a sharp dip from the higher levels. In comparison, the technical parameters are also tested in its oversold region. Volume over the 4-hour time frame is lower and needs to grow strongly for a positive sustainable rally. So Ethereum token is, I don't know why they call it Ethereum token, but anyways, Ethereum is trading at 2066, or I don't even know why they say ETC token or Ethereum Classic. That's what they're saying. All right. Ethereum Classic is trading at 20 cents, which they are definitely not trading at 20 cents. I'm pretty sure they meant Dogecoin. See, this is why I said you got to apply pressure to these people. Like, they make these mistakes. This is not, they don't mean Ethereum. They really mean, I think they just mean Dogecoin. But anyways, ETC token is trading at 2066 with an intraday drop of negative 6.39, and the volume to market cap ratio is 8 cents. That's what they're saying. Relative strength index, Dogecoin price RSI is trying to rebound over the weekly chart. In contrast, the RSI is trading flat after testing the oversold zone in CMP at 38. So they know their technicals and stuff, but they just need to get some of these errors out. This is not Ethereum token. This is Dogecoin right here, and it's not Dogecoin token. It is Dogecoin without a token. I made this inside of another video, and I made sure I had to say that. So anyways, shout out to Market Periodical. But anyways, let's talk about this down here, the support of 1920 that we have, and then after 1920, we'll have support at 1750. If we break 1920, we will go down to 1750. And for the resistance, if we break 22 cents like we were showing in the past one, if we break this 22-cent support, our 22-cent resistance will end up going to 24.40, and then eventually to 26.20 in Dogecoin. So that's all I got for the technicals there. Now let's look at the other stuff. So Dogecoin up 2.22% for the day, down 14.22% for the last 7 days. So everything's kind of starting to rebound here, not just Dogecoin. Everything's really rebounding. Got Cardano up 7.30% in the last 24 hours. You got Ethereum 3.25%. You got Bitcoin 2.51%. Bitcoin back into the 42,000 range. It was at 41,000. So everything's kind of starting to rebound here, and it's starting to become better and better and better. So now let's go over some Dogecoin whales, because it's been a while since a lot of Dogecoin whales bought huge one-time orders all in one purchase. So this Dogecoin whale came for a huge one-time order of $31.4 billion. Yes, or $31.4 million, not $31.4 billion. But yeah, $31.4 million from this Dogecoin whale of a large one-time purchase. That's actually pretty big right there. Whenever Dogecoin gets to $1, they will have $149,000, 149,988. So that's pretty big right there. Then the next Dogecoin whale, they also came in for a large one-time order of $19.7 million yesterday. They came in with $19.7 million. A lot of these Dogecoin whales are seeing this dip as a big buying opportunity because we did dip a lot. We went all the way up here from about 22 cents, 22.50, all the way down here to 19 cents. And these Dogecoin whales are seeing a huge buying opportunity. So they came in when it went all the way down there. And you can see this Dogecoin whale came in at $19.7 million. That's a lot of money right there. And this Dogecoin whale is seeing what it can do. They're seeing the potential here with Dogecoin. Now, these Dogecoin whales, this Dogecoin whale right here did not do a large one-time order. Instead, they did a bunch of large orders, left and right, left and right, left and right, with no sell orders coming in. A bunch of large orders all this month, buying every single day, bunch of them, 28K, 27K, 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 26K all today. So these are big orders. Now over here, you can see more. So this Dogecoin whale came in yesterday, 111K, 432K, 257K, and then on the 23rd, 686K, and then 1 million, 1.2 million in last month. So anyways, why am I saying this? I'm saying this because this shows that there's actually a lot of people that are very bullish with Dogecoin. People don't put millions of dollars into something that they're not bullish in. So this is showing that the people with the big money are bullish in Dogecoin now, and they're back in, because before none of this was happening. And when I say before, within the past month, this wasn't really happening much. Check out all my videos in the past month. I don't go over many of the whales because there's not many whales that are doing big orders and not selling. These whales are doing huge orders and not selling Dogecoin. That's why I'm going over it. So yesterday, this Dogecoin whale came 1.1 million. They also came 449 million yesterday and 545,000 yesterday, coming for a total of $2.2 million yesterday purchased. So that's a lot of money. And also the day before yesterday, they came up with 400 something thousand, and then all these millions were last month. So these Dogecoin whales are really getting big with Dogecoin. But yeah, this is all I got for you guys today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But yeah, if you do like the video, though, please hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And anyways, check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And make sure you check out my other stuff too, BeatStars. If you guys make music, definitely check out my BeatStars page. So yeah, check out that. And then also check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.